This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home on cu-de-sac lot with no back neighbors. Pulte Soledad floor plan features media room, game room, and study with French doors. Open kitchen with upgraded 42 white cabinets, walk-in pantry, large ceramic tile, stainless steel appliances, and huge island. Desk area off of the kitchen and living area. Lots of storage available throughout home, mud area with hooks. Master bedroom with bay windows and crown molding. Master bath features convenience height double sinks, vanity seating, separate shower/tub, and large walk-in closet. Great size secondary bedrooms, game room, 2 bathrooms up, and media room. Wonderful community with walking trails around the 52 acres of lakes, resort-style pool, splash pad, 2 dog parks, and playground. In highly sought-after Katy ISD, close to shopping and hospitals. Fantastic master-planned community with easy access to 99/I-10, 52 acres of lakes with walking trails. Home has only been lived in for 2 years. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.